For this project, we're gonna practice painting our warm colors and cool colors. So on your sketchbook, you're gonna go ahead and open it up to the next blank page. Make sure it's blank on opposite sides. Right here, you're gonna do your warm colors, and this side is gonna be your cool colors. So you have this little shape that I passed out. You're gonna line it up with your pencil, go around and trace the outside. So 1, 2, 3, and you'll do the same on the opposite side. So it's gonna look like this. You have warm and then you have cool. Warm colors consist of red, orange, and yellow. So think of the sun, that would be your warm colors. And then the opposite side, you have your cool colors. So green, blue, and purple. Another word for purple is violet. So this video, I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my warm colors. So you have gotten your little shape, trace the outside 3 times. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna divide it into 5 sections per. So you could use your little shape to go across, draw 4 lines. They don't have to be even. Try to get it as close as you can, but you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 per color. The top 2 are going to be your tints. So white, the color plus white is gonna give you a tint. Orange plus white, yellow plus white. In the middle, you have your red, which is a primary. Orange, you're gonna have to make your own orange. So red plus yellow gives you orange. And then yellow is your primary color. So primary, secondary, primary. On the bottom, you're gonna add very little black, and that's called a shade. So it's gonna be the color red plus a little bit of black, the color orange plus a little bit of black, the color yellow plus a little bit of black. So that's how it's going to work for this project. You have your paint palette. Don't mix on here because we're gonna keep reusing these. On your magazine paper that you got is where you're gonna be doing all of the mixing. There you go. Okay, so now on the top, I'm gonna create a tint, which is plus white. So on my magazine paper, I'm gonna scoop, bring a little bit of red, clean my brush in the water, dry your brush, and then go ahead and scoop up a little bit of white, bring it over and mix. Don't spread it out, leave a small little tiny puddle. There you go, I have my top ones. Now I'm gonna move to the bottom. So this is red plus very little black. Very, very, very little. And I can't stress that enough because if you put too much, it's just gonna change the color. So grab red, bring it over to your magazine paper, clean out your brush. So that right there is probably too much black. So I'm gonna put it off on the side and I'm just gonna add very little. Almost nothing, and it's gonna make a slight difference. So it's gonna look a little bit more like a maroon color. There we go. So you notice the difference with a tiny bit of black. So I have my first one done. You're gonna do the same thing for all of them. So here I'm gonna make an orange, red plus yellow, paint in my orange. Above it, I'm gonna do orange plus white, orange plus more white. Clean out my brush, orange plus a tiny bit of black, orange plus a tiny bit of black. So that's what you're gonna keep doing for your warm colors.